Hi, and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to show you our adapter for lifting a folding power portable wheelchair into the back of your vehicle or wherever you're lifting it. And here we're not showing you this in an automotive environment, but we just want to show you how the bracket works. So this is your adapter right here, and you'll notice that these can be slid. So you adjust these just with regular Allen wrenches. They can go in for different widths of a wheelchair. These right here are also adjustable level length on the straps. Okay, and these hooks are designed to find the center of gravity on a typical power wheelchair, such as an EZ-Lite Cruiser or any of the many folding power wheelchairs that are on the market today. So you have you might have a different swing arm that is designed specially for this. You're going to put the adapter right in there, okay, and then these are going to hook right at the center of gravity of the wheelchair, okay? So we'll bring you in a little closer here to be able to see how these go right on there. Now, the center of gravity of this chair is right here, okay? On different wheelchairs, such as an EZ-Lite Cruiser, it's a little farther back, but each one of these is set to balance that particular wheelchair. And now we'll bring you around the side. Okay, so now when we lift the chair, we're lifting it with a perfect center of gravity. And you can move and adjust the chair into and out of the vehicle or wherever you're moving the chair. So that's the portable folding power wheelchair adapter. And thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. We hope you learned a little something, and look forward to hearing back from you. Please give us a call at 607-669-4822. You can also look on our YouTube channel at youtube.com/accessun to see literally thousands of videos that show the multi-lift in different applications. There will also be some links in the notes field of this video to show you more information on the product. You can contact us at www.accessunlimited.com. Click on the contact form. Evenings and weekends, you can reach us at 615-873-0518. Thanks for watching our video, and have a great day.